I am the stone that the builder refused. I am the visual, the inspiration that made ladies sing the blues. I'm the spark that makes your idea bright. The same spark that lights the dark.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video, and today we're going to the shop and I'm going to try to get the Prelude up and running. Hopefully everything goes alright. New head gaskets on, all that stuff, but I'm going to save the talking in the car. I'll see you at the shop. I don't know why I have this habit of starting the video off in the car. Also, I'm surprised my face isn't peeling yet because your boy got burnt. Let's get the hell away from this shit and get to the shop. Okay, here we are. We got the Prelude in front of us and I'm gonna start it today. So let's hope everything goes all right. I did finish mostly everything the other day. I got way farther than I thought I was going to. Pretty much everything's in there. I just gotta resplice this IAC plug, downpipe, oil pan, all the good stuff, turbo drain. But other than that, pretty much everything is on there. Like all the charge piping's hooked up, all the sensors are hooked up. I do have one thing that I kind of fucked up, this little cap thing right here. So I'm gonna have a little bit of a vacuum leak, but that's okay for now because, oh, and I gotta get some little clamps because this right here leaks and that's fuel, so that's bad. And one of these, this one right here, I need a little clamp for. That's it. At some point, maybe this week, if Jimmy's not busy, he's gonna come up here and street tune it. And then, yeah, I don't know. I'm just trying to get this thing on the road, so all I need is like a quick street tune to make this thing reliable, and then we'll go to the dyno when it's registered, when I can drive it to the dyno. Honestly, I don't even want to drive it on the road, but I'm trying to get this thing tuned, and I don't want to mess anything up on this, you know. I just got the gasket and whatnot. Like, yeah, the studs I won't have to replace anymore, but you know, the gasket, the shit took 2 weeks, and I don't want to risk anything, you know. So hopefully everything goes good with this, and we can get this thing tuned. Jimmy lives like actually pretty close to this the new shop, so should be mint. Do a little nighttime street tune, and then we'll get this thing in some bodywork and paint. At the end of the month or next month, whatever, I have to go to the DMV, get this bad boy registered so I can drive it, dude. And I could do something with the Klapbach. I'll probably just swap it. I don't know. Maybe I'll just swap it and sell it. I feel like that's the smartest thing to do because like I can't have all these cars, you know. My shop isn't big and I don't make that kind of money, so I'm not trying to have all these cars. I want to have my daily, the race car, the tow rig. That's all I need. That's all I want. And the dirt bikes. And even that's getting like a little bit, you know, I'm a little bit excessive, you know, for my price range here, but you know, I already have them, so why am I going to give them away? I just don't need the Subi. But anyways, I'm going to get started on this thing, and I think the first thing I'm going to do is just put the oil pan exhaust on. Then I'll fill this thing with oil. Alright, I got the IAC rewired, I should say. Okay, underneath now. Gotta hook all that stuff back up, re-gasket the pan because it was leaking. Yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so I got the downpipe on. This bolt in the turbo part is, you know, not doing so well, so I'm gonna either need a new bolt or I'm gonna have to tap that shit out and go slightly bigger because it's not so good. A lot of people tell me that they don't even run turbo gaskets, and I'm like, no leak? I don't know. So I'm running a damn turbo gasket for now, guys. I don't know. I'm probably always gonna run one, but everything is pretty much there. Go ahead and put some oil in this, and yeah, I mean, I guess I don't know. I'm kind of nervous, just because like I don't know. I just really hope it works out. I hope this goes well. So I'm gonna go put some oil in it, and I'm gonna clamp this before I spray gas everywhere, and I will get back to you guys. I have oil in it. I clamped that. I clamped that hose. There's no coolant in it, but there is oil in it. Let's freaking fingers crossed, you know. Let's just see what happens. Let me unplug the injectors real quick. Okay, so something ain't right. Had a check engine light on. Okay, so it's just misfiring. All right, so I just checked these, and none of these were like actually clicked on. I'll probably just put that back in a rush. So let's hope. And I also tighten that banjo bolt thingamabob. So try this again. I got oil pressure, but something ain't hitting. Oh, yep, that'll do it. That will do it. There was an injector not plugged in right there. This is what happens, guys, when you rush things. All right, take some notes from your boy. I'll learn from my mistakes. So unplug that in. Unplugged injector is better than retiming the damn thing. So let's try it again. That's more like it. Okay, so it runs mint. I just gotta time the damn thing because that's just doing little. If you hear the exhaust, it's like, you know, it's usually ignition timing. So I by no means did adjust that. So let me adjust that and see if that gets a little bit better. Just put it right in the middle. I'm pretty sure that's where it goes stock. I have a check engine light on. For what, I don't know. Maybe I broke another sensor. Whenever anything fucks up a little bit for me, I just immediately go to the worst thing. So I kind of like prepare myself for it mentally. But I guess we're good. I'm going to put the exhaust back on and button up the rest of this stuff. Get it ready for some tuning. Alright, exhaust is hooked up. O2 is plugged in. Let's see if we still get a check engine light when it turns on. Nope. Let's check it out up there. She's running smooth. I gotta plug in the damn sensor though. Somewhere, right here. Plug in the freaking quiet thing. I still have a little bit of a friggin' bump. Now it's saying it's friggin' lean. I don't know why it would be lean. Let me check for vacuum leaks. 1 second. You know, that's probably why right there. This top thing's leaking. I'm probably not getting enough pressure in here. and it's just leaning out. That's probably why it's popping. I gotta get a new upper like washer thing for this. Yeah. So, like I said, not tuning anything, leaving it for the pros. I guess this thing's ready to tune. It's good oil pressure, all that stuff. So I'll put another base map on it, or I'll just show Jimmy how to do it, have him start from scratch on it, and we'll just do a nice little street tune on it, and should work pretty damn good. Then I'll be able to do the freaking everything else. I'm glad this thing has the head studs and a little bit of a thicker head gasket. It should be all good there. Like I said, it's just leaking some fuel right there, so the pressure's probably down. So as you can see, when I rev it up a little bit, it stays at 12. You know, it's a decent AFR, but below that at idle, it's just leaning out. So could be the tune, could probably be something mechanical. I'm assuming it's probably that. Got it back together. We got it running. Oil's in it. Literally, all I gotta do is do that washer. I think that's it. Washer. Oh yeah, washer, coolant, and tune. So, with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go try to edit this on my Mac because my brother was just up. That's why I didn't post a couple days. Just kind of been chilling with my brother and whatnot. I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Let me know if you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys would like to see first on this. I'm pretty sure I'm pretty set on what I'm doing, but I'm pretty sure I should probably tune it and get it mechanically good first. Because everything else is good, like the wheel bearing. I replaced the wheel bearing. Actually, next would be brakes, because this thing's brakes suck. But I need help for that, and nobody is here right now. So I'll see you guys next time. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Peace out.